starting pitcher.
Mike.
Trying to run that four-seam fastball up and away from the hitter, but just didn't get enough of the zone.
Here's the 1-0.
Just doesn't have a feel for the splitter right there as he leaves it up and away. That pitch has to go down to the zone.
Now the 2-0.
2 and 1.
Here he comes. 2-1 pitch. Swung on and ripped towards second.
This ball scorched right at the second baseman. They show quick reflexes to be able to make the play.
Nobody on base, one away. Now 0-1. Watch that fastball go by. The pitch. Swung and a ground ball to third. Young on to first. That's out number 2.
Well, nice play at third base right there. Stays with it. A tough play, able to get the runner just in time.
First pitch. There's a